today we'll be talking about balancing of equation. We'll be showing us a simple trick we can use to balance equation. Now, balancing of equation. An equation has two sides. That is, an equation has two sides. And the two sides is separated by an arrow. We have the reactant side and we have the product side. So in balancing equation, we are saying that every element or atom on the reactant side should be equal to the atom or element on the product side. Let's take, for example, we have H2SO4 reacting with sodium hydrogen. Rest assured, we will be having the sodium sulfate and then plus water. So in this case, we are going to make sure that the numbers of hydrogen at this reactant side is equal to the number of hydrogen at the product side. So, and also the number of sulfur, oxygen, sodium should be equal to the number of it at the product side. So in this scenario, we have hydrogen to be 2 here. We have another hydrogen here. So all in all, we have 3 hydrogen atoms on the reactant side. So what do we have here? We have only 2 hydrogen on the product side. So how do we make this up? Now, this is one of the mistakes some people make in balancing equation. You don't touch the subscript of the atoms. You only change or you only alter the number of their stoichiometry, that is the coefficient of the atoms. What I mean by coefficient is the number standing in front of every element. Those are the numbers we alter when balancing the equation. We don't touch the subscript, that is these small numbers below the atoms. We don't touch them. So in this case, we are going to balance hydrogen. But nevertheless, when balancing an equation, you start balancing from the heavier element. The heavier element I know we have here is sulfur. So here, how many sulfur do we have here and how many sulfur do we have here? Sulfur is 1 here, sulfur is 1 here, so it is balanced. Then we'll move to sodium. Sodium is 2 here, and whereby sodium is 1 here. So we'll balance from the number of stoichiometry to the what? To the 2. So that sodium can be 2 here and sodium can be 2 here. Now, what remains is the oxygen. We have 4 oxygen here plus another 2. Mind you, this 2 is not only affecting sodium, it's affecting every atom that make up this compound. So 2 is affecting sodium, 2 is affecting oxygen, and 2 is also affecting this hydrogen in this compound. So we have 2 oxygen here, we have 4 oxygen here, making 6 oxygen. So looking at this place, we have only 5 oxygen. 4 here and 1 here, 5. So we'll write 2 here so that we'll balance the remaining 1 oxygen. So basically we have 4 oxygens and 2 oxygen now, making 6 at this side and having 6 at this side. What remaining is hydrogen. Now, hydrogen is supposed to balance itself even without us balancing. That is the trick. You always balance from the heavier element to the lowest, to the low weight element. Now here we have hydrogen to be 2 here, and we have 2 hydrogen here. That is, hydrogen is 4 here. And at this side, you can see that hydrogen is already balanced by itself, making 4 hydrogen. So subscribe and keep up and watch out for my next video. Thank you.